Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Are you bored with the look of your watch bands? The good news is that you can change them easily. I have the Mi Active Revolve and the Honor Magic Watch 2, which use 22 bands. So before me, I have a few options that look cool in my opinion. So let's unbox and check them out. So as you can see, I have 4 boxes in front of me. Each one is a different type of watch band. Starting off with box number 1, it has daily objects marked on it. Slide it open and we have the braided band first. This is a solo band as it's called and is elastic. It stretches quite a bit and it's made of polyester. The ends are these spring bars which makes it easy to install onto the watch. Second is the silicone band. It's a nice blue color. This is similar to the traditional watch bands. Here's the spring bar as before. Pull down and snap it onto the watch. The third watch band is braided but made of nylon. We have Velcro on the end which allows for a custom fit. It looks like the Milanese loop, but the two ends are attached and you can slide your hand within. And finally we have the Milanese loop. This one is made of stainless steel. This magnet here allows for a custom fit. Just loop it around your wrist and the magnet secures to the band. These are the watches I have, but I'll be customizing the Mi Revolve Active. The other watch is the Honor Magic Watch 2. Both use 22 bands. When purchasing off the site, make sure to pick the right size. Now to remove this old band, just hold spin down and the band comes off easily. There you go, as simple as that. So starting off with the braided band, attach the spring bar on both sides and this is how it stretches. And now you can just slide the watch onto your wrist. Not tight at all, feels comfortable. It's made of braided polyester and this is how it looks close up. Very elegant, it's soft and smooth and comfortable to wear. These bands are available in Atlantic blue, black, Inverness green, and this one is the red one. And it's supposed to be sweat and water resistant for daily use, and because of the elastic nature, it stays put on the wrist. Now for the nylon band, the installation is the same as earlier and these sections attach to the watch. This part moves, making the size customizable. Attach the 2 spring bars to the watch and now it's ready. Slide your hand in and stick the Velcro pads on the other side like this. Let me actually wear it. So pull on the strap and stick the Velcro pads down. You can loosen the band as per your liking by just leaving a little bit of slack, and you can also tighten it by just pulling on the strap. I think I like this one the most as of now. It has a universal fit due to the Velcro closure system, and being nylon, this band is sweat absorbing and fast drying. This plastic piece here prevents the band from opening up completely. And this band is available in army green and black. Next, we have the Milanese loop. The spring bars are included separately. Install them onto the watch and then attach the band to the watch as we had done earlier. All of them work the same way. And there, just like the band earlier, slide it onto your hand and attach the magnet onto the other side as per the fit you want. Here's the magnet. It links onto the band like so, and the fit is quite good. Move it down a bit if you want it to be loose. And the band is made of stainless steel. Looks really cool. We have color options of black, gold and also silver. I really love the nylon model. It's something like the Milanese loop but braided and uses Velcro. Here's the silicone band. It looks similar to the ones that come with smartwatches. There are multiple colors available, so you could pick one every day to match your dress. These bands are available in blue, pink, black and red. You would wear it like a standard watch. It is made of high strength silicone. This band is sweat resistant and hypoallergenic and is designed for people with an active lifestyle or even for people who like stylish watch bands. This band fits wrist sizes between 135mm and 180mm. Daily objects have these universal bands in a variety of materials like leather, silicone, metal, and they have quite the collection. They also have bands for Apple Watches, so make sure to check out their website. There are some offers also going on at this time of recording this video, so that's like icing on the cake. And how did you like these watch bands? Are you still wearing the same band that your watch initially shipped with, or did you already customize it? Make sure to comment below which one you would choose and why. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.